Okay, if a trapezoidal sum over approximates the integral of f from 0 to 4, and a right Riemann sum under approximate, which of the following could be the graph of f? Trapezoidal Riemann sums of an integral, so these are all possible graphs of f. When a trapezoidal sum is an over approximation, it means the graph of f must be concave down. For example, no, backwards, sorry, concave up. So right here, if I were making trapezoidal approximations, I would be creating trapezoids like so, and the top of the trapezoid would go above the curve, causing my trapezoidal approximation to be too much. That happens whenever f is concave up. If f is concave down, and I make a trapezoidal approximation, the approximation will come under the curve, causing the trapezoidal to be an under approximation, not an over approximation. So here the trapezoidal is an over because the f is concave up. Here the trapezoidal is an under because the f is concave down. So the possible answers are A and D, because those are the only two that are concave up. For a right Riemann sum, I would go to a subinterval, I would pick the value of f on the right, and I would create a rectangle based on that value. So in this case, the right Riemann sum would be an over approximation. They're asking for the right Riemann sum to be an under approximation. So this isn't working. So I'm going to go back up here and note that if I go to the right hand side and I draw a value to f and then I create a rectangle, sure enough I get an under approximation. So the correct answer is A. So again, the green would be what the right Riemann sum would look like. The red is what a trapezoidal Riemann sum would look like, or the purple is also a trapezoidal. Whenever they ask questions about whether a certain graph is an under, or whether a Riemann sum over or under approximates, I always draw pictures. I find it easiest to answer the problem that way.